Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Light. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. Pepe ETF, the most memeable ETF in existence. The dog had their days, the bank are trying to take over. It's time for our savior Pepe to lead the way with the first ever meme coin ETF. You may have missed Pepe, but you are early for Pepe ETF. You can also read their white paper from here. Here you can see their white paper Pepe. Pepe is tired of watching the banks try to take control of the crypto space through their Bitcoin Ethereum ETFs. Pepe wants to stand for this and is committed to retaking control of crypto for the memes through the first ever meme coin ETF. You can also see their content, their introduction Pepe ETF, and furthermore, you can also read their whole white paper from here. Now back to the website. Here you can see their social platforms like their Telegram community, their Twitter account, their Discord, and furthermore, you must join their Telegram community for latest update, and you can also follow them on Twitter. Here you can see their posts. Set your calendars for August 30, 12 UTC and head over the pink sale for a pre-sale. Like this, you can see further more posts from here. This is an amazing project. Next, we have some information about Pepe ETF. Pepe is tired of watching financial institutions and big bank try to take control of the crypto space through Bitcoin, Ethereum, ETFs. As I already told you, Pepe has had enough, so it's time to get ready for the first ever meme coin ETF made by the memes. For the memes, Pepe ETF is fueled by pure memetic power to infinity and beyond. Launched with no pre-sale, zero taxes, LP burn, and contract renounced, Pepe ETF is the only ETF truly built for the meme community. Let the revolution begins. Next, we have some information that how to buy these tokens. Create a wallet, download MetaMask on your wallet of choice from the App Store or Google Play Store for free. Desktop users download the Google Chrome extension by going to metamask.io. Get some Sol. Have Sol in your wallet to switch to Pepe ETF. If you don't have any Sol, you can buy directly on MetaMask, transfer from another wallet, or buy on another exchange and send it to your wallet. Coming soon on Launchpad. Pepe ETF will soon be available at the discount from the launch price via Launchpad. Make sure to follow Twitter for announcement about this. Next, we have their tokenomics. You can also see their token supply. CX listing 31.8%. No taxes, no bullshit. It's that simple. 68.2% of the tokens will be sent to the liquidity pool and the LP lock will be burned. The remaining 31.8% of the supply is being held in a multi-sig wallet only to be used as token for future centralized exchange listing, bridges, and liquidity pool. Liquidity pool 68.2%. Next, we have their utility. Every quarter, big bank print money and hold out bonuses to their greedy bosses. Pepe ETF is built for its holder, however, and so every quarter we will burn 2.5% of the token supply, creating a deflationary mechanism that rewards the core meme community over time. Holding the Pepe ETF token will also give you exclusive access to community giveaways, airdrops, NFTs, and Pepe ETF merchandise. Buy the memes for the memes. Pepe ETF is here to stay. In future, we will be partnering with all major meme tokens in the space to create an algorithmic stablecoin backed by a basket of meme coin, retaking control of your meme space one step at a time, and the revolution is here. Next, we have their roadmap. Phase 1 meme, Phase 2 Vibe and HODL, Phase 3 Pepe ETF. Below is a sketch of the Pepe ETF roadmap. We don't want to give everything away on day 1, so expect some big surprise and announcement along the way. Phase 1 launch CoinGecko CMC listing, introduce burn mechanism, introduce a redistribution mechanism, holders giveaways, Pepe ETF trending on Twitter, Gleam camping. Phase 2 first CX listing, announce plans for algorithmic stablecoin in future, backed by basket of meme coin, community partnership, VIP holder, Discord group, 1000 plus holder giveaways. Phase 3 Pepe ETF merge tier 1 CX listing, OG holder NFT collection, meme backed algorithmic stablecoin launch, meme takeover. Next, we have their contacts. As I already told you about their Telegram community, their Twitter account, and other social platform. Pepe TF coin has no association with Matt Furge on his creation Pepe the Frog. This token is simply paying homage to a meme we all love and recognize. This is an outstanding project. Before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not their financial advisor. I'm just telling about their amazing project, so do your own research. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.